Hello guys.
Hello, I'm Johnny.
I'm Julie.
We are
The Parsons RV Journey. Hey guys, we're here at Parksdale Farmers Market in Plant City, Florida, and we're within walking distance over here, and we just wanted to walk over and check it out. We've heard some good stuff about it, and I want to show you the line here. They supposedly have really good strawberry shortcake and milkshakes and things like that. Okay guys, so we visited Parksdale yesterday. We went and had their strawberry shortcake, and we had 3 milkshakes between the 3 of us. Not like I didn't have all 3 milkshakes, but we had three milkshakes, and it was like $13 and something. So that's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
And it was really good. And then we liked it so much that we went back today and we picked up some of the bread. Don't put it up there. So we got some cookies and some bread. The strawberry bread and strawberry cookies.
And I like the cookies, and John likes the cookies, and we all like the
They're
bread.
okay. The cookies are okay. I like the bread. I had some of this bread at a church we were at about almost a month ago. We were there. Actually, it was a month ago we were there. And so anyway, we went back and we got this today, and they have all kind of produce and things. So we got some produce, got some green tomatoes, and Johnny fried some up.
Yeah.
And they had some what do you call it, batter? Some batter for it, and we got some of that.
They had, what's that restaurant? Whistle Top restaurant. Where was that at? Isn't that in Georgia somewhere?
I'm actually not sure.
Whistle Stop.
Whistle Stop. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
But anyway, the batter was good.
Yeah. So it's starting to get dark out here now. We thought we'd come out here because it's really pretty evening.
Yeah. Can we show them the sky there?
We can show them the sky.
Is that all right?
So hold on. So there's the sky, and actually you see those RVs off in the distance? Well, those are the RVs that, that's the RV park we're in, but they put us way over here. We're going to be singing here Saturday, tomorrow night. We've been here since Wednesday, and so they put us...
They put us in their overflow, which is fine. I mean, this
So
this
you got
is
all
pleasant here.
This is a very beautiful spot, and so I'm glad we got this spot. Full hookups, sewer and everything, So, but anyway, so this is some of the ways that we are finding that we can get RV spots, and that's by coming and singing for them, and then they'll give us a spot for a few days, and plus some donation money, and a tip jar or something like that.
Yeah.
So, so this is one of the ways that we, are able to make this happen. So, but anyway, it's a beautiful night, and I guess if you're still breathing.
There's still hope.
There's still hope. We're still breathing. And if you're watching this, you're still breathing. So there's still hope.
That's right.
Praise God.